What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I finally found something that we can start doing on the YouTube channel here. So if you guys didn't know, I've been at kind of a standstill with the channel. Legit, I just have no idea what else to talk about. We've covered CPA, we've covered affiliate marketing, we've covered retail arbitrage, we've covered crypto, like way back in the day, like 2 years ago. We've covered different forms of marketing, how to make your landing pages, the basics, all the way up to like the mid-tier, advanced. We've covered damn near everything I can possibly think of. So now we're going to be jumping into repairing devices and reselling them. So I bought this MacBook here for $100, and look at him talking about making money and can't even afford lotion. Is that really what you're worried about while I'm literally showing you how to make money? Here, let me put some fucking lotion on for you then. Nah, dude, I was just playing.
No, look here, look. You want to see this shit, huh? You want to see my hands get lubed up? Oh, is that enough for you, huh? Should we put some more on there, you fucking creep, huh? You like watching this shit? Yeah, look at that lotion. Come on, look at it.
My hands are all lotioned up. Let's continue with the video. So as I was saying, I bought this for $100, and the only problems that this thing had is that the trackpad didn't work and the battery didn't work. So the battery was pretty much all buckered up, see right here. So clearly this battery was no good. So all I had to do was, just buy a brand new battery, put the brand new battery in, which is very simple, literally just like a simple wire that you just hook up to it. And then for the trackpad, all I had to do was just take it out and then pretty much just realign the little metal piece that was in there, and boom, just like that, we're done. And as you guys can see right here on the screen, we sold it for $306. After fees, we got 280 something or something like that. I'm just going off memory right here. But again, you guys will see it on the screen. So yeah, guys, this was very simple. Made $180 off this flip right here. Going to get that shipped out in the morning. The next thing we're going to work on, is this Xbox One S here. So got this Xbox One S 100% free, and basically they had spilled something right here. I cleaned all this off or whatnot, but this right here, this part was like super sticky and all that, and it wouldn't turn on. So I had looked it up. Basically said it could be a problem with the power supply or whatnot. So I ordered the piece for that. I'll let you guys know in a future video if it turns on and everything, or if this was a complete flop. Either way, it was dirt cheap. The price for the part was like $15. And again, I got this for free. So, I mean, I'm not really worried about losing $15 just to test it out. That's the main thing. We're just testing out stuff here. But yeah, this is the next project. Again, got this all cleaned out and already took it apart. Obviously, I got all the other stuff in the other room. But I just want to show you guys what I'm going to be doing with this one here. So if we get this one all fixed up and it's working perfectly fine, I'm going to bundle it up with some games that I bought from Walmart for 3 cents. Then probably try to sell it for around maybe 200 something. Let's say after all fees and everything, we walk away with $145 in profit on this one, and that's just throwing out numbers. Obviously, I'll let you guys know in the future what this sells for. But yeah, that's what we're probably going to start doing on the channel here. I'm probably going to start buying up lots of video games, phones, just like simple stuff. Obviously not like something. Let me switch the camera. We're going to be doing simple stuff, not anything like super heavy, like where I got to get like special equipment and all that. I'm not really trying to go that heavy into the repair. I just want to get some stuff where it's like how this Apple MacBook was. That was very simple. If this Xbox One here only needs a new power supply, that's very simple. So if I can buy these or get them for, free, then just put in some minor work, literally 5, 10, 15 minutes of work, and then sell it for $150, $200 in profit, I'll do that all day long, right? So that's the plan for these here. And then anything that I buy, let's say I buy a lot of, some PS3s or PS4s or PSVs or whatever, and I can't fix it, right? Let's say I need some special equipment or something special and I just can't do it, or I just don't know how. I'll just bundle all those up and then just sell those for parts, and just get what we can for those. I'll treat them just like how I would with video game lots. Whenever I order video game lots and there's let's say there's 50 brand new ones and then there's 50 used ones, I don't count the used ones in the numbers at all. It's like they're not even there, right? So that's just how I personally do everything. And that's how I'm going to do it with this as well. Something that I can't fix, I'm just not even going to include it in the numbers. And we're just going to pretty much just tack on, instead of dividing it by, let's say we had got $1,000, we got 100 games, right? We wouldn't say that it was, we wouldn't divide that by 100, we divide it by 50 because, again, I'm not counting those other used games or whatnot. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you guys currently do anything like this? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell.